These notes are on multi-step equations, and this is kind of part one of multi-step equations, where we will be combining like terms first. So this is when on one side you'll have things to combine before you start moving things across the equal sign. So as review, I would like you to pause this. Well, first write down these two problems and pause it, and simplify these two expressions by combining like terms. You had a test on this last week. So go ahead and pause and solve these problems. Okay, for this one, I have a negative 3x and a 5x. That would be 2x. 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Here's my answer. Okay, over here, if you haven't done it yet, pause it. Okay, so distribute the 2. So I get 4m minus 16 plus 3m plus 11. I'm going to combine the m's. 4m plus 3m is 7m. And negative 16 plus 11 is a positive, no, it's a negative 5. Negative 5. There we go. Okay, so if you have any questions on that, call me over, raise your hand. I'll come over and help you with that. But now we're going to get into the notes. So let's look at it. It won't change that much, but let's look at 4y minus 8 plus 2y equals negative 5. So there's nothing to do over here yet, but I do have like terms over here. Okay, so I need to add 4y plus 2y, which is 6y. Bring down that minus 8 equals negative 5. Now, the biggest mistake people make when they're solving these is that they want to do the opposite. So it's plus 2y, so they want to subtract 2y. You only do the opposite if you're moving across that equal sign. So if I was trying to move the 2y over here for whatever reason, then I would subtract it. But in this case, I don't need to. I just do what it says. 4y plus 2y is 6y. Okay, now this is simplified a little bit, so now I can go ahead and start moving things around to get y by itself. So this is a two-step equation now, so plus 8. So 6y equals 3. This one's going to be a decimal. Divide by 6. Y equals 0.5, or you could keep it as 1/2. And you can always check your answer by substituting it back in for the y's to see if it's correct. Let's look at another one. 5c minus 9 plus 2c equals 12. Okay, so this is the same setup as this one over here. I don't have anything to move across yet because I need to simplify first. So 5c plus 2c is 7c minus 9 equals 12. Okay, now it's a two-step equation. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. 7c equals 21. Divide by 7. C equals 3. And that's it. Okay, let's look at a couple with a distributive property in it. Number 3, this is going to be 2, and then inside parentheses is x plus 4 minus 6x equals 8. So this is just like this one up here where you have to distribute first. So I'm going to distribute that 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to bring down that minus 6x equals 8. Okay, I still have some like terms to combine. So 2x minus 6x makes negative 4x plus 8 equals 8. Okay, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. Negative 4x equals 0. Divide by -4, x equals 0. Okay, I have one more example before you do a couple on your own. So number 4. 2 minus 3 times 2x plus 6 equals 20. So again, on this one, I'm going to distribute first, and I'm distributing on -3. So remember that it has that negative sign right there. So -3 times 2x and -3 times 6. So 2, -3 times 2x, -6x. -3 times 6 is -18. Okay, I'm going to simplify first by combining like terms. 2 minus 18 is -16. Bring down the minus 6x. Now I'm going to add 16 to both sides. -6x equals 36. Divide by -6. X equals -6. Okay, so if you have any questions on any of those, call me over and I can help. Now I have 2 for you to try on your own. And you will need to pause this after I write these down. So this is you try. This is going to be number 5. 6x minus 12 plus 2x equals 12. And number 6 will be 2 times 5x plus 4 minus 6 equals 22. So after you write those down, you need to pause it and then solve both of these on your own. I will be walking around to make sure that you're pausing when you should be. Okay, let's solve these. 6x plus 2x is 8x minus 12 equals 12. Add 12 to both sides. 8x equals 24. Divide by 8. X equals 3. Hopefully you got that one right. Let's look at number 6. If you haven't done it yet, pause it and do it. Okay, 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 6 equals 22. 8 minus 6 is 2, so that's 10x plus 2 equals 22. Minus 2. 10x equals 20. Divide both sides by 10. X equals 2. Okay, that is it for the notes. Let me know if you have any questions on any of this.